Hello, friends. How are you guys enjoying the fall weather? I know that I am absolutely loving it. This is my favorite time of the year because I am a person who tends to run super warm. So when it's a little bit cooler outside, I love that. Anyways, for today we are just making some fondant toppers for some cupcakes that I made already. So basically what I do is I just roll out the fondant. I usually use icing sugar so that it doesn't stick to my surface, but today I use cornstarch, which works just as well and maybe actually works a little bit better, to be honest. But this first one, you'll notice that I did over again. I didn't like how the first one turned out because it wasn't centered, so I just flipped it over and I wrote on the other side because why not? So then this one I liked a little bit more. It was a bit more centered. And then on the second leaf, I wrote Fall Breeze Autumn Leaves. And yeah, it's just a pretty simple little topper that you can put on some cupcakes and enjoy for the fall. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this short video. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. That would be absolutely fantastic. And yeah, I just wanted to say that I really appreciate all you guys, and I look forward to hearing from you in the comments more. Have a great day, guys. All right, bye.